This is my 2013 ST. I've done a resonator delete, put in a 2.5-inch stainless steel straight pipe, and just before the muffler in the back, I put in an electric cutout. That way I can leave it closed when I want less sound, keep it quieter in the cabin, and when I want more sound, flip a switch inside and get more sound out. I've also extended the inner fender to help protect it a little bit. So why don't you go ahead and start it up and we'll listen to it. All right, open her up. Big difference. When it's closed on the inside, you can barely hear it, and on the outside, everybody hears it everywhere. Get a little bit more of a gurgle on the way down when it's open because it's just straight all the way back. When you downshift, it gurgles more than when it's closed. It's fantastic. It's the best of both worlds. It's officially the volume knob for my engine.